Okay guys, we all know that river drainage is one of the main important topics in our GS syllabus, and today I am going to discuss some major drainage system, Brahmaputra and Barak. Okay, but first I begin with Barak. Barak is a system in northeastern in India. River drainage, it is a river drainage in northeastern India, and you view the map. Okay, see the lower part, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and see the black line. Black line represents first Barak River. Okay, and Barak River originates in Manipur. Have you seen? Then it Manipur. Okay, first Barak River originates in Manipur, and then it comes to Mizoram. In Mizoram, it flows in southwestern-ward. Okay, and after Mizoram, flowing through southwestern-ward, it comes to Assam. Barak River flows through the lower Assam in northward. Okay, Barak River flows in northward through lower Assam. Okay, what we have seen, you see the black line. Barak River originates in Manipur, then it comes through Mizoram. In Mizoram, it flows through southwestern ward, and then it comes to Assam, lower Assam in northward. Okay, and in lower Assam, actually, what happens generally? After Silchar, okay, in Silchar actually, in Silchar area, Silchar is a district in Assam. In Assam, actually, the river actually bifurcates into two streams. Okay, in Assam, the river Barak bifurcates into two streams, one northward and one southward. Okay, the northward is called Surma, and southward is called Kalini and Kushiara. Okay, what we have seen, the river Barak originates in Manipur, then it comes through southwestern ward to Mizoram, and after Mizoram it enters to in northward through lower Assam. Okay, and in lower Assam it crosses in lower Assam, it actually bifurcates into two streams. One is northward and one is southward. And northward stream is called Surma, and southward stream is called Kushiara or Kalni. Kushiara, Kushiara or Kalni. Kalni, Kalni. And this Surma and Kushiara stream meet again in Bangladesh. Okay, this Surma and this Surma, northern stream of Barak Surma, and southern stream of Barak, Kalni and Kushiara flows through Bangladesh, and in Bangladesh, near Kishungarh, or above Kishungarh, it actually this Surma and Kalini, the northward and southern stream of Barak, meet again, and this meeting point is called Meghana. Means after the assimilation of Surma and Kalini or Kushiara, the river is known as Meghana. Then if you were asked in exam that the Meghana is a assimilation of Padma or Jamuna, Padma or Ganga, Padma or Brahmaputra, Padma or Barak, Barak or Surma, Surma or Kushiara. Then right answer is Surma or Kushiara. Mind this, I am again repeating a thing. See the black line in Manipur. Black line represents Barak River. Barak River originates in Manipur, then it comes to Mizoram, and after Mizoram it enters into Assam, lower Assam, and in lower Assam it divides into two streams. One is Surma, and northern stream is Surma, and southern stream is Kalni or Kushiara. The northern stream Surma actually derives water from the tributaries of Meghalaya, and southern stream, that is Kalini or Kushiara, derives water from the tributaries of the river system of Tripura. Okay, this light green line actually represents the bifurcation of the two stream of Barak. Okay, the upper light green Surma, and lower green line Kalni and Kushiara. Okay, then while flowing through Bangladesh, Surma and Kalni or Kushiara meet one point, and after that it is turned into one river, and this river is called Meghana. Okay. Okay guys, now I am going to discuss the drainage of Brahmaputra. Okay, we all know that Brahmaputra river originates in Tibet, in east of the Lake Mansarovar. Okay, Ongsi Glacier, okay, or Chamayung Dam Glacier. Okay, then it originates in Tibet and it flows through Tibet, and in Tibet it is called Shangpo. Okay, then what happened after crossing eastern Himalaya? In see the map, point number 1 and point number 1 it is Arunachal. Okay, and after crossing eastern Himachal, it actually flows southward and enters actually Arunachal. Okay, it originates in Tibet, then flowing through Tibet and eastern Himalaya. Near eastern Himalaya, it actually flows through southward and enters into Arunachal. See the point number 1, it enters into Arunachal. Okay, then here it is called Siang. Okay, this river in Arunachal is called Siang. Matlab that means Brahmaputra originates in Tibet, then crossing through Tibet, then it enters into Arunachal throughout eastern Himalaya, and here it is called Siang. S-I-N-G, Siang, point number 1. Then after flowing through some distance, it actually, when it enters into plain, and it is called Dihang. D-I-H-A-N-G. It is called Dihang. Point number 1, it is called Dihang. Okay, once it enters into Arunachal, okay, then it is called Siang. Then after, when it comes through throughout plain, it called Dihang. Then after that, it enters into, after Arunachal Pradesh, it enters into Assam. The black line, the black margin of the map, it is Assam. Okay, above Assam it is Arunachal, in upper part, then Bhutan. Okay, the point number 2, see the point number 2, it is called Dibong. Okay, point number 2, it is called Dibong. And Dibong, it is a tributary of Brahmaputra, eastern tributary of Brahmaputra. Dibong, don't confuse Dihang and Dibong. Dihang is the name of the Brahmaputra in plain when it flows through Arunachal. Okay, the Dibong is the tributary of Brahmaputra. Dibong originates near Kea Pass on the Indo-Chinese border in Arunachal. Okay, this Dibong river originates in Arunachal Pradesh near Indo-Chinese border. Okay, point number 2, it is called Dibong. Okay, then C3, Lohit. Then actually I am using actually marker, that is why it becomes wide. The point, the Dibong Lohit, they does not meet in 1 point. Okay, but due to the use of marker, actually it seems 1 point only. Okay, point 1 Dihang, point 2 Dibong, and point 3 now come to Lohit. Okay, what is Lohit? Lohit actually originates in eastern Tibet and passes through Arunachal Pradesh and joins Brahmaputra. Okay, then what we have seen, Brahmaputra originates in Tibet, then throughout eastern Himalaya it enters into Arunachal Pradesh. Here it is called Siang. When after it flows through plain, it is called Dihang. Point number 1. Point number 2, come to Dibong. Point number 2 is Dibong. Dibong originates in Arunachal near Indo-China border. Then after flowing through Arunachal Pradesh, it meets Brahmaputra. Okay, it meets Brahmaputra. Dibong. Lohit. Point number 3, Lohit. Lohit originates in eastern Tibet. Then after that, it meets Brahmaputra. Okay, this Dihang, Dibong, Lohit. Okay, now come to point number 4. It is called Subansiri. 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 It is called Subansiri. Largest tributary of Brahmaputra is Subansiri. Then where Subansiri originates? Subansiri originates in Himalaya in China. Subansiri originates in Himalaya in China. Point number 4, Subansiri. It originates in Himalaya. Okay, then after it originates in Himalaya in China. Then after flowing through Arunachal, it meets Brahmaputra in Assam. Okay, then come to point number 5. It is called Kameng. Okay, it is called point number 5. This tributary of Brahmaputra is called Kameng in Arunachal, and in Assam it is called Zia Bhoroli. Kameng. Kameng originates in Tawang district. Okay, Kameng, this river, point number 5, Kameng river. Kameng originates in Tawang district. Okay, then after flowing through Arunachal Pradesh, it meets Brahmaputra. Okay, this river is called Kameng in Arunachal Pradesh and Jia Bharoli in Assam. Okay, then come to point number 6. This is called the Manas. Manas is the largest river in Bhutan. It is one of the most biggest river in the drainage system in Bhutan. Okay, then where from Manas is a transboundary river that flows through China, Bhutan and India. Okay, it meets Brahmaputra in Assam. Okay, then come to point number 7. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, these are some left hand tributaries of Brahmaputra. Okay, point number 7, Disang. Point number 8, Dikho. Point number 9, Dhanchiri. Point number 10, Kolong, and point 11, Kopili. Okay, now what are the right hand and what are the left hand tributaries of Brahmaputra? Right hand tributaries of Brahmaputra are Subansiri, Kameng, Manas. Left hand tributaries of Brahmaputra are Disang, Dikho, Dhanchiri, Kolong and Kopili. Okay, and eastern tributary of Brahmaputra, Dibang and Lohit. Okay, now you will find question in answer in exam. You might find question in prelims. Then which of the following tributary of Brahmaputra is not originated in India? Manas, Kameng, Subansiri, Dihang, Dibang, Lohit. We all have seen that Lohit, Dibang, Subansiri, Kameng, Manas, they are not originated in India. Only river that originated in India, that is in Arunachal Pradesh, it is called Dibang. Dibang originates in Arunachal Pradesh near Indo-China border. Okay, it is the only river that originates in India, which is the tributary of Brahmaputra. On the other hand, you see Lohit originates in eastern Tibet, Dihang it comes through Tibet. Okay, Subansiri it originates in China. Kameng we have seen that Kameng we have seen that Subansiri it originates in China, and in case of Kameng we have seen that it originates in Tawang district, and it Manas it also not originated in India. It is the transboundary river between India and Bhutan. It flows through 3 states, China, Bhutan and India. Okay, these are the main drainage system of this is the drainage system of Brahmaputra river. And in our next lecture we have seen how the Brahmaputra Barak and the bifurcation of Ganga works in Bangladesh. Okay.